to set your company profile up to receive bid invitations. So the first thing you do is go to secure.bidcentral.ca and log in. Once you log in, click on your name in the top right hand corner and then go to account. Under your account you'll see your company name there and you'll see edit company profile. Click that. This will take you into your company profile. Make sure all of this information is correct and then scroll down to service regions. Make sure you've got the service regions set up that you'd like to receive invitations in. Then continue scrolling down and go to section 8, categories. And you'll see this box here called categories. If you click on that, you'll have two options here. If you expand the construction option, you'll see a list of division codes in here that you can go through and select. So for example, if I'm a masonry company, I'll select that and now I'll hit save. So now if a project owner or general contractor is looking for a masonry company in southern Vancouver Island, my company will now appear as an option to receive bid invitations. So make sure you go through and add these. You can select as many categories as you like in here. You can drill down to specific subcategories as well and go through and add as many as you like. Always remember to hit save down at the bottom. While you're in your company profile too, make sure you've got your opportunity matching keywords set up and all the other information set up in your company profile.